Hey, I'm Jared Lenham, and welcome back to Refiner's Forge. So today we're going to be continuing the stair railing project and starting layout. So even though I have a really awesome new welding layout table back here behind me that's already getting cluttered, I'm going to work on that. It's not big enough for my stair railing project. So unfortunately, I'm going to be working on the floor. Not at all what I want to do, but that's okay. So let's go take a look at the board and what we're going to do. All right, so here's our board. And if you remember the previous video, I used this to mark where every tread is. So now we can lay that out on the floor here. So what we're doing is this was the bottom tread here, the line for the bottom tread. I'm laying the straight edges level on that line. And I've already marked this one. And then I come up here on this line here. And that gives me the end nose here. So now I've already marked this one as well. So now I need to mark the next tread. Now I'm just using some construction crayon like you get at Lowe's or Home Depot. And I'm hoping instead of chalk, because chalk, you almost just blow it off the smooth concrete. So I'm hoping this crayon will be a little bit more durable. So, but if any of you all have any suggestions of another marking material that's more permanent but will still wipe off the floor when I want it to, would love that suggestion. But anyway, so now I'm going to mark all the stairs going up the board. Okay, so we got all the stairs drawn now. And so I'm going to extend this bottom plumb line up. And then we'll do the same at the top of the stairs. So this is the top of the stairs. And this line here is the wall. All right, and so now to get the height, drawing the height of the rail, we're going to measure up from the last nose on the plumb line up 35 inches. And then we'll do the same on the bottom plumb line, measure up 35 inches. And I'll connect those two marks. And then I'm going to do the same, measuring up 4 inches on the bottom. All right, the crayon's kind of hard to see here on the video. I'll kind of give you a closer look. There's our vertical plumb line, and this is going to be our bottom part of the rail. And there's the top. And this is the wall that this will connect into. The stairs drawn out. All right, now I need to lay out and draw in the rest of the design. All right, so I got most of it drawn out here. So the uprights, they're spaced 4 1/4 inches on center apart. They're 5/8 inch thick. So I found that if I put a 3/8 inch bar down with the thickness of the crayon, it gave me right about 5/8 inches on the drawing. So that was convenient. And so this is the bottom rail here. And so you're going to have an attachment point into the wall there and here. And then, so And this two kind of open panels here, and putting scroll work in. Need to finish drawing that. My wife is helping me with that. Hopefully getting it done on the computer. And then I'll have a pattern I can draw it on here and here, and then put that on my welding table and forge to that, so I'm not having to come over here to the floor all the time when I'm forging the scrolls. And so then this top rail, originally I was thinking about doing just standard cap rail, but I think it might be kind of big and might not fit the style of this rail. We'll see, but I'm also thinking about doing maybe like 3/8 inch thick, like 1.5 inch or 2 inch wide, flat bar with the edges chamfered. And then this is where the rail, or the top rail, curves in, and do a scroll here. And so this is the edge of the top nose, so this does not extend past that. And then this is the newel post. This is going to be 1 inch wide, or 1 inch square solid. And then the only other thing you need to draw in is the connection points here to the stairs. So there'll be 2 connection points, one here, and then one more right here. So hopefully it was understandable how I was explaining how to do that layout using that method. So I'm learning that. If you have any questions about it, let me know. I'll see if I can help you out about it. But so the whole layout thing definitely takes time, effort. So something you definitely want to consider when you are pricing a job. The design and layout time, that's all part of it. So this gives me a good idea how long that takes. So that's good to go through that process. But anyways, let me know what you think of this kind of content in the comments below. If you liked it, great. If not, let me know that too. Got any constructive criticism? Be awesome to hear from you. But be great if you gave me a like, and absolutely fantastic if you shared or subscribed. But we'll see you next time at Refiner's Forge.